Kids Big News!
Hi guys, welcome to Kids Big News. My name's Kairezze. On today's program, we're going to be heading over to Annie's Number Food, Kids Corner, but first, an update on the capital. As more people are working from home, some offices in central London are being turned into homes. Now that sounds like a great idea. International news. India is experiencing a crisis situation with a surge in COVID-19 infections. We hope and pray that things will improve. Now moving on to fashion. Yay, fashion! Apparently Crocs, yes Crocs, are in fashion these days. Not this Croc, no, but these Crocs. Wow, they look very nice. Now let's head over to Kids Corner.
Hi guys, welcome to Kids Corner. My name is Olivia Onassis. Today I'm going to be showing you how to build a marble run. Also, I've built a Lego set. It is amazing, but I'm going to show you that later. First, let me show you all the stuff you need to build the marble run. So you need tissue rolls and toilet rolls. Strips of cardboard, I've used an empty box, and you need to get a cereal box. I've used Choco Hoops, my favourite cereal. You need sellotape, a pot, paint, scissors, glue, and marbles. Let's dive straight into it. I've done the base, which is the cereal box, and I've cut it open. So now we need to stick pink paper in, but you can use whatever you want. So now that I've sticked it, you need the pot. So I've cut a hole in here so you can take the marbles out. And you need to cut a hole in here and there so the marbles can drop in. And then over here you need to do a little hole. That's where they drop. Then they go in there. And now we're going to stick it. So guys, I've done this, and now we need another roll, and we need to cut a line in here, just like this one. So we're going to get our pen and trace how big we want the size of the hole. So I want mine this big. So I've done it. You need to get the scissors, you need to squash this a bit, cut in the middle of it, just like this, and then cut it inside, like a square. Mind your fingers. Okay. So now I'm going to stick this here, and then I'm going to do the other bits on the other side. So guys, I've done the other parts of the marble run. We've done this and the slide using strips of cardboard and attaching them together with sellotape. So I just want to show you how to make a slide going attaching to there. So I've cut my roll, and you need a big roll, and then you get a small roll, which was from the toilet, and then you put it in there and get a sellotape. First we have to measure it how long it's going to be, so you just push it in there. So it's going to be that size. So now that we know, we're going to just sellotape it so that it can't break. Okay, so now that I've sellotaped it, let's have a try. I wonder which one I should choose. I'm going to choose this one. Oh, cool. I love the way that one goes down. Oh, amazing. Now I'm going to choose this one. Oh, I like the way that drops in. Let me try it one more time. Oh, that is good. Now I'm going to try this one. That is cool. Oh, I like the way that one drops down too. So all we got left is to paint it. I wonder which colour I should choose. You'll see it at the end. Now let's head over to my Lego set. So guys, this is my Lego cinema. Doesn't it look amazing? So this is the door. And then this bit is the map. And these are some seats. And then this is where you pay. There's 2 paying areas. And then this is the ticket. This is where you put your bags so that they can see what you got in your bags. This is where you pay for the food. And then this is another door. You just go in there. And then you close it. Then this is the bathroom. This is the door. And then this is how it looks like inside. This is the cafe where you can get your food. Yummy. And then you walk in here. This is VIP. That's why it got a little table. And then this is these 2 are the stairs. These are the chairs in each row. And this is the TV. VIP. And these are the chairs. I love my Lego cinema. Guys, thanks for joining me. Don't forget to hit the button and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye!
Wow, Olivia Onassis, that was amazing. Can't wait to play with it. Now, let's head over to Annie's number feed.
Hi guys, welcome to Annie's number feed. Today we're going to be doing 28, 29, 13, and that's the last number feed. Yay! Let's count. I got 28 bread, I got 29 cucumbers, and 30 bananas. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. That's it. We're up to 30. Yay! See you soon. Bye.
Thanks, Annieonsay, and thanks for joining us, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button. We'll be back for more. Oh, and don't forget to stay safe and have hope in whatever you do. See you next time. Bye.
Kids Big News.
Kids big news. Kids big news.
Kids Big
Kids big
News.
news.
Big
Kids
News.
big news. Kids big news.
Kids Big News.
Hey guys, it's Kids big news. Big news.
Big news!